Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Both your Xiaomi and the display must share the same Wi-Fi network, and the display's casting mode should be enabled. On your Xiaomi, open Settings, then Connection and Sharing, you'll see Cast or Wireless Display options. Tap that. Once done, keep the display turned on and discoverable. Make sure Bluetooth is off only if it interferes, otherwise leave it. You're now ready to locate the target device and initiate the mirror request. You'll see a list of available devices. Tap the name of your target receiver to begin. When prompted, choose Screen Cast to mirror your entire Xiaomi display rather than casting a single app, because that ensures system UI and notifications appear. If your Xiaomi offers resolution or scaling options, pick the one that matches the display's native ratio for best clarity. Once connected, confirm audio routing and allow permissions if asked. This secures smooth video and sound during the session. To finish, swipe down for quick settings and tap Cast to stop mirroring, or return to Settings, Connection and Sharing and disconnect. If the connection drops or won't start, restart both Xiaomi and the receiver. Simple reboots often clear transient network issues. Make sure both devices are on the same router band. If one is on 5 GHz and the other on 4 GHz, they may not see each other. If problems persist, reboot your router, then try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.